I watch this magic trick coming in 3, 2, 1. Lace be gone. Where is it? Where's the lace? Tell me. Tell me. Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm coming at y'all with another install and review, this time featuring Alipearl hair. This is my first time collaborating with them and I'm so excited. They sent me out their 20-inch 4x7 lace closure wig. Now this wig is pre-everything, so it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut lace, and this is a wear and go wig. Oh, hold up, y'all see? Do y'all see they was not playing with this pluck? That they did the damn thing with this right here so far. I watch this magic trick coming in 3, 2, 1. Lace be gone. Where is it? Where's the lace? Tell me. Tell me. Let me go ahead and stop playing. I don't even need to say no more. We're gonna go ahead and get into it.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, for the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor.
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
The whole install is pretty much done. I'm not gonna do anything more to it, but maybe pull apart some of these curls. This wig is bomb. Like the curls are nice, the lace is nice. Like, it's giving scalp even still. And I haven't even, like I have a full face of makeup on right now, but I don't have any foundation above this point. So I don't even have makeup on it right now. Let me.